Hey, this is Mark Gupp with Keller Williams Realty, and I'm here with my favorite assistant, Oba, in front of our new listing in Bridgton at 66 Holden Hills Road. If you are looking for quiet, serenity, no noise, no cars, this is the place for you. So I think you're going to absolutely love it. You've got a whole house generator here. You've got a nice big shed. There's an extra lot that's being sold with this house as well. And it's a beautiful cape. Let's go inside and take a look. As I come into the side door, we enter in right through the kitchen area here. And these guys are leaving this island here. And you have your living room space with the wood stove over there. Ceiling fans. Nice. And upstairs, there's 2 bedrooms and a full bath. Oh, Oba is going to show you. He is ready. So straight ahead, you've got your bathroom. Tub surround, vanity, and then over here, we have 2 nice sized bedrooms. Both with a closet and nice wall-to-wall carpet. It's in good condition. And right across the way, we've got the other bedroom on this floor. Again, nice wall-to-wall carpet. Both bedrooms have 2 windows and a good-sized closet. And we've got another bedroom downstairs, so let's go take a look at that. As I come down the stairs, this leads to another bedroom, and it has a nice covered wooden deck over here, and you have a nice full bath with the stand-up shower, and you have your vanity in there as well. And right across the hall, we have our laundry and the systems room here. And then there's storage down below. Let's go out to the backyard and you can take a look at that as well. And this back patio is a great place to chill out. If you look back here, you've got some nice woods here. And there's a fire pit over there. And you can see the area behind the shed. You also have your well. So again, my name is Mark Gupp. I'm the listing agent for this property. And would love to have you come take a look. And if you have any questions, give me a call. My phone number is 207-232-6127. Thanks for watching.